Looking to stand out in the crowded digital world? Welcome to Websoft IT Services Private Limited, where we turn searches into success with search engine marketing, or SEM. So what is SEM? It's your shortcut to visibility in search engines like Google. By running highly targeted ads, SEM puts your business right at the top when customers search for products or services you offer. Why wait to be discovered organically when SEM can get you instant visibility? With precise targeting by keywords, location, and audience behavior, SEM ensures your ads reach the right people at the right time, driving more traffic, leads, and sales. Here's the deal. Businesses using SEM grow 3 times faster than those that rely on organic reach alone. SEM isn't just about running ads. It's about being where your customers are when they need you most. At Websoft IT Services, we specialize in creating data-driven SEM campaigns. From crafting the perfect ad copy to optimizing performance for maximum ROI, we ensure every click counts for your business. Don't let your competitors dominate the search results. SEM is your opportunity to outperform the competition, boost your brand visibility, and see measurable results fast. Ready to see your business on top of the search results? Let Websoft IT Services handle your SEM campaigns and take your growth to the next level. Contact us today because your customers are searching, and it's time they find you. Take your business to the top. Call us on 95916420023 or email us at admin@websoftcreators.com. Visit us at www.websoftcreators.com. Your success starts with visibility. Try SEM today.